According to Wikipedia, traffic congestion occurs when a volume of traffic or modal split generates demand for space greater than the available road capacity. This point is commonly termed saturation. In this videos we will talk about the world's worst traffic jams in history. Number 1. Beijing, China. August 2010. Imagine being trapped in a 62-mile-long traffic jam that lasted for an incredible 12 days. That's just what happened to the poor folks attempting to traverse the Beijing-Tibet expressways in August of 2010, for which the trip took as long as 3 days. Not caused by closure or natural disaster, this all-time tie-up cause was simply the result of too many vehicles clogging the road, particularly a bevy of heavy trucks carrying construction supplies into Beijing, ironically for road work that was intended to help ease congestion. Number 2. Bethel, New York. August 1969. This 3-day tie-up over August 15 to 18, 1969 is historic for more than just traffic. With more than 500,000 attendees descending on Max Yasgur's famous farm for the Woodstock Music and Arts Festival, the New York Thruway became a stranglehold for more than 20 miles, with many motorists eventually abandoning their cars and hoofing it to enjoy 3 days of peace and music and rain and mud and more than 10 times the anticipated crowd. Performers had to be flown to and from the site in helicopters to avoid the crippling congestion. Number 3. Chicago, Illinois. February 2011. A near-record 20.2 inches of snow fell on the Windy City on February 1, 2011 in a late winter blizzard that hit the hardest during the evening rush hour. The most unfortunate commuters were those on the otherwise idyllic Lakeshore Drive headed northbound from downtown Chicago. A series of weather-related accidents slowed and then halted traffic and buried motorists for more than 12 hours in drifting snow that reached almost as high as the car's windshields. Number 4. East-West Germany. April 1990. With the Berlin Wall between the East and West having finally fallen, the Easter holiday saw a massive influx of Germans eager to reconnect with friends and family members. The ensuing record-holding backup on April 12, 1990 was estimated at a whopping 18 million cars on a roadway that otherwise averages a 500,000 vehicles a day. Apparently, freedom from oppression doesn't necessarily mean freedom from traffic. Number 5. Interstate 45, Texas. September 2005. With Hurricane Rita approaching Houston, residents were told to evacuate on September 21, 2005, with as many as 2.5 million of them packing evacuation routes, creating a massive 100-mile queue on Interstate 45. The congestion reportedly lasted for as much as 48 hours, leaving motorists stranded for as long as 24 hours along the 300-mile route from Galveston to Dallas. Though crippling, the mass evacuation is said to have probably saved many lives. So, friends, what is your worst experience during traffic jam? Give a comment with us and share your experience. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like our video, give a thumbs up and please subscribe our channel for daily update.